Now we are going to see handling data. First you must know what is data. Data means a collection of information of a certain things is called data. Data means a collection of information of a certain thing is called data. I'll repeat once again. A collection of information of a certain thing is called a data. Okay. See, data means, for example, I'm telling you, and suppose my friend's daughter is studying what? 8th standard. She is studying in Kamala Niketan Montessori School. So, if you want to collect the data of Kamala Niketan students of 8th standard, means how many sections? 8A, B, C, D. So many 4 sections. So, we have to what? We have to create a record. So, what are the, how many in each class? That is 4 sections. In 8th 4 section, the name of the school is Kamala Niketan Montessori School. For example, I will tell you, not only Kamala James Matriculation, even St. Joseph Convent, whatever the school may be, I have taken. So, first you have to take a particular class, you have to select the class. Then how many students are studied in the particular class, that is how many students studied in the 8th standard. So, number of students, total number of students, you must know that. So, you have to collect all the information about the 8th standard, okay, all the information about the 8th standard student in Kamala Niketan Montessori School. So, maybe their boys and girls are combined together, because the CBSE school means boys and girls combined together, they studied. So, in 4 class, in 8th standard, we have to collect the data only 8th standard student. We have to collect the data about 8th standard student in Kamala Niketan Montessori School. So, in 8th standard, how many section? 4 section. So, in each section 40 students, not 40, 25 students. So, 4 section means 100 students studied. So, you have to, first you have to write the name of the student and father's name and what is father is doing, income of the student, and also how this student is studying, which subject she is good, which subject is not good. So, whether is average child, is a what? Average child, above average, is intelligent, or whatever may be. So, and everything, address of the child and everything, you have to phone, contact number of the parents and everything we have to what? Collect the information. So, you just collect all the information and written or type in the system, and recorded everything in the system. It's completely called as a data. First we have to write everything in the written form, and after that we have to maintain a file. This is the old format, but now we have to everything in the systematic. Everything is systematic, so we have to type everything according all the data of the children, all the information about the not only the particular child, the entire class of 8th standard Kamala Niketan Montessori School. So, that is the concept. So, it means you have to collect all the information about the class 8th standard student in all the 4 sections. So, type everything about the children detail. This is called as a data. I think so you understand the concept clearly. So, now we are going to see the first sum. So, it is a bar graph. Generally, data means we have collect all the information, and after that we have to record it everything. So, if you want to understand very clearly to the students, so or some other person, maybe senior person or parents or the principal or the office administration in charge, or maybe if you want to give the very clear information with the diagrammatic representation. So, generally we used pictograph and also bar graph and also tally marks. Tally marks is very easy to do the children. It's very easy to do so for the children level it's very easy to do. But if you want to give a proper proper calculation and you want to represent everything in a proper form, means you have to understand very clearly. If you collect all the information, if you collect all the data, store everything, but you want to give the very clear picture, means you have to use only the pictograph and also the bar graph. Pictograph means you have to, whatever the information you collected, whatever the data you collected, you just represent in the picture and symbol. So, if you use the picture and symbol, it represent the data is represented by the picture and symbol. Data is represented by the picture and the information, not only the data, the information. What a collection of information is called as data, I have told you. So, all the information represented by picture and symbol, it is called as a pictorial representation. This pictorial representation is called as a pictograph. Next one is a bar graph. Bar graph uses bar to represent number. Bar graph uses bars. This is called as bars. This is a vertical bar. Even you can do the horizontal bars also. Bar graph uses bars to represent number. It is also helps to give all the information in a bars. Okay, you can give all the information through bars. It is called as a bar graph. So bar graph uses bars to represent numbers. So all the numbers in the you can represent all the number with the help of the bar graphs. That is what. So first we are going to see the bar graph. First question, study the bar graph and answer the question. This is the heading. The name of the title is favorite TV channels of the children in a building. So it considers apartment. Many people are living in the apartment. So many type of children are living in the building. Okay. So many TV channels nowadays came. You know that very well. So favorite TV channels of the children in a building. This is the exact information. Exact information is giving. This is the title. That means favorite TV channels of the children in a building is a heading. Otherwise we can call it as title. So particular this TV channels informations, favorite TV channels of the children in a building. This is the exact information they collect from the TV channels. Okay, so many channels are collecting all the information about the favorite TV channels. Okay, so whose channel is very favorite, whether it is so many TV channels are there, but which is the favorite TV channels of the children. Okay, this is the exact information. So this exact information represent in the bar graph. So this is called as a vertical bar because it's straight. This is vertical bar means straight. Horizontal mean this is vertical and this is a horizontal. Vertical. This is a vertical bar and this is a horizontal bar. Okay, look at this diagram. So first one is, see, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So x-axis you have taken the channels, okay, and the y-axis we have taken number of children. Okay, x-axis we have taken channels and y-axis, this is x-axis. Horizontal line we can consider as x-axis and vertical line you can consider as y-axis. This is number of children, this is a channel. So first question, which is the most popular channel? Look at the you have to consider, you have to consider the bar. You have to see the bar or you have to consider the bar and write the answer. Okay, so which is the most popular channel? Look at the bars, which one is the highest bar? That you have to consider, then you have to answer it very clearly. Which is the most popular channel? That means this is comedies start with this vertical bar start with 0 to 5. Okay, the sport channel, this vertical bar start with 0 to 4 and this cartoon channel start with 0 to 6. So this is the highest vertical bar. Okay, in all the bars, compare all the vertical bars, it is very highest. Okay, next is adventure channel. So what is this? It is start with this vertical bar start with 0 to 3. So this is 4. Comedy is 0 to 5. So 5. Okay, number of children, comedy, that is favorite channels of favorite TV channels of children in the building. So 5 children like comedy channel. 5 children, number of 5 children means this is number of children. So we have taken in y-axis. So 5 children like comedy channel and 4 children like, okay, according to the bar graph, 5 children, only 5 children like comedy channel, only 4 children like sports channel and only 6 children. How many children? Only 6 children like cartoon channel and what is this? Only 3 children like adventure channel. I'll repeat once again. Only 5 children. 5 children. This comedy channel, I just want to give the different color of the vertical bar and I use different colors for the vertical bar because I just want to differentiate. I want to show the difference. That is the only thing I given the different colors. I use the different colors. So for the comedy channel, I have given green color and what? For the sport channel, I've given brown color. For the cartoon channel, I've given black color. For the adventure channel, I've given red color. So comedy channel, how many children like? So how many children like the comedy channel? The comedy channel means that is 5 children. 5 children like the comedy channel. 5 children like the comedy channel. And here 4 children like the sport channel. And here 6 children like the cartoon channel. And the next one is what? 3 children like the adventure channel. So first question, which is the most popular channel means, so which vertical bar is very highest? Which vertical bar is highest? Which is the highest vertical bar? Cartoon channel. That is number of children. How many children like cartoons? How many children like cartoon channel? That is 6 children like cartoon channel. So this is the highest vertical bar, and number of children is also high. So which is the most popular channel mean cartoons. So how many children? 6 children. 6 children. 6 children. Okay, cartoons means 6. Cartoons channel. Favorite of the children is cartoon channel, which is the most popular channel. Means cartoon channel is the most popular channel. How many children like this channel? That means 6 children according to the vertical bar. This cartoon channel, that is I have given a cartoon for the cartoon channels. I have given black color, and this vertical bar is the most highest bar. So you have to consider the most popular channel is a cartoon channel, and number of children. Okay, number of children to watch this channel is 6. Okay, next question. How many more children like the cartoon channel than the adventure channel? So how many more children like the cartoon channel? Cartoon channels, how many children watch? 6 channels. Cartoon channel, how many children watch? 6 children watch cartoon channels. Then the adventure channel watch only 3 children. So what is the question? How many more children like cartoon channel than the adventure channel? That means 3 children. So you have to cartoon channels watch by children. Cartoon channel watch by how many children watch cartoon channel? 6 children. So and adventure 3. So 6 minus 3 you can get 3. So number of children watch the cartoon channel is 6. Number of children watch the adventure channel is 3. So 6 minus 3 you can get what? 3. That means the answer is, what is the answer for this question? How many more children like the cartoon channel than the adventure channel? That means 3 more children. 3 more children like the cartoon channel than the adventure channel. That means adventure channel watch only 3 children, but cartoon channel watch 6 children. So 3 more children watch only the cartoon channel, not the adventure channel. So compare with cartoon and adventure channel, 3 more children watch only the cartoon channel than the adventure channel. This is the right answer. The third question is, how many children in all like both the comedy and sport channel? So comedy and sport channel. Comedy is what? 5 children, and also what sports channel is, what is this? How many children in all like both the comedy and sports? Comedy children, how many children watch comedy channel? 5 children. Not channels, a little confused. Comedy, that is 5 children. Comedy channel watch 5 children. 5 children watch comedy channel. And the next one is what? Sport channel. Sport channel, that is 4 children. So 4 plus 5, 9 children. 9 children. 9 children, that is what? So how many children in all like both the comedy and sports channels? Mean that is both channels they watch, comedy channels as well as the sports channels. You have to add together. So watch the comedy channel only 5 children. Watch the sport channel only 4 children. But if they combine together, they watch both channels, it is how many children? 9 children. I think so. First question you understand. First question you understand. very clearly. Which is the most popular channel means cartoon channel, because it is this vertical bar is the highest bar, and so that I just want to give the difference of the bar. That is the only thing, and I have given different colors. Comedy channel I used to give green color. Sport channel I used to give what I've given. Otherwise I've given a brown color. Cartoon channel I given black color. Adventure channel I given red color. So which is the most popular channel means, so highest bar, which is the highest bar, that is the most popular channel. That means 6 children watched only the cartoon channels. So that is cartoon channel is the most popular channel compared with all other channels. How many more children like the cartoon channel than the what adventure channel? That means cartoon channel watched by how many children? Cartoons, I've told you only 6 children watch cartoon channel, and adventure channel watch only 3 children. So compare with me 6 minus 3. They ask how many more children. So 6 minus 3 you can get what I've given. Cartoon channel watched by 6 children. Adventure channel watched by 3 children. 6 minus 3 you can get 3. So how many more children like the cartoon channel than the adventure channel means 3 children. Only 3 children. 3 more children. That is the right answer. 3 more children like the cartoon channel than the adventure channel. Next one is how many children in all like both the comedy and sport channel. That is comedy and sport. Both channel watch how many children means 9 children. That means 9 children watch the both channels like comedy and sports. The first question is over. Second one is, this is also use the bar graph to answer the question. Time spent for homework on different subjects. Okay, in September month. The first one is x-axis. We have to take the x-axis means is horizontal line. You have to consider the subject, and the vertical line it is called as a y-axis. X-axis we have to consider x. This is horizontal line. We can consider as a x-axis. In x-axis we have to take subject, and vertical line we can consider as y-axis. So number of hours we have to consider in what vertical line, otherwise we can call it as y-axis. Okay, what is the first question? What is the title of the bar graph? The bar graph title is time spent for homework on different subject in September month. This is the heading. Okay, what is the title of the bar graph? The time spent for homework on different subject in September. This is the heading. Okay, next one is, I told you already, x-axis you have to take, x-axis means horizontal line you have to consider as x-axis. In x-axis you have taken subject, and vertical line you have to consider as y-axis. In y-axis you have taken number of hours. So number of hours 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also number of children 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and here what are the subject? You know that I've told you for this first question, comedy, sports, cartoons and adventure. Likewise, so you have to write the subjects in the x-axis: maths, English and science and Hindi. Okay, what is the first question? Heading is time spent for homework on different subject in September. So first question, what is the title of the bar graph means time spent for homework on different subject in September. This is the heading of the what? This is the heading. This is the heading of the first question. On which subject was the most time spent doing homework? That is, which is the highest bar? That is maths. Maths vertical bar are given in red color. This is the highest vertical bar in all compared with other vertical bars. This is the most highest vertical bar. So that is number of hours, 8 hours. The children spent 8 hours to study maths subject. Okay, on which subject was the most time spent doing homework? That is nothing but maths subject. They used to spend 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours. Next question is, what is this? How many more hours were spent on science homework than Hindi homework? First you have to consider the science homework time. Science homework means how many hours they spent. Science vertical bar I have given in brown color. So what is the height of the bar? That is 6. Number of hours, 6 hours they used to spend for science subject. Next one is what? Hindi subject. So I given this vertical bar for black color. So for Hindi subject the children used to spend how many hours? That is 3 hours. So how many hours they spent? 3 hours. So the question is, what is the science and Hindi, science homework and Hindi homework? For science they used to spend 6 hours. The Hindi they used to spend for 3 hours. So 6 minus 3. what is 6 minus 3? 3 more hours. 3 more hours. That is 3 hours extra for science. Only 3 hours they spend for Hindi, but 6 hours for science. But compared to science and Hindi, 3 hours more, extra 3 hours. That is 6 minus 3. That means you can get what? 3. That means more than 3 hours for science they spent. Compare with Hindi. That means extra 3 hours they spend for science subject. Compare with Hindi subject. Next, fourth question, that is D question. How many less hours were spent on English homework than maths homework? English homework, look at the vertical bar. So, English vertical bar, for the subject of English, I have given green color for the English subject. This vertical bar, what represent? Green color. So, number of hours for the English subject is 6 hours. Okay, for English subject 6 hours. Maths homework, I have told you 8 hours. Okay, how many less hours? That means compare with maths and English. For English, the children used to spend 6 hours. For maths, they used to spend 8 hours. So, 8 minus 6, 2 hours extra for maths subject. 2 hours extra for maths subject. So, 2 hours is the right answer for the question. How many hours were spent on English and science together? How many hours were spent on English and science together? English and science. So, both are the same height. Same height. This is English subject. I used to give green color. English subject, I represent the vertical bar in green color, and science subject I used to represent the vertical bar in brown color. Both are in equal height. This is for 6 hours and this is for 6 hours. For English, the children used to spend 6 hours. Science, they used to spend 6 hours. So both subjects they used to spend the same hour. So how many hours were spent on English and science subject together means you have to add the 2 hours together. That's 6 hours plus 6 hours. You can get what? 12 hours. So that is 12 hours they spent on English and science together. This is the right answer for the question. I think so you understand the bar graph clearly.